Hey guys, welcome back. Drip and Farm for Pop. I'm your host, Drip Coach, and let's jump right into it. So today, I'm doing a follow-up on a video I did a while ago about the secret sentiment of the Drip community, and specifically about the DAO. Because if you watch this video 3.5 months ago or so, I was talking about how the DAO is a good indicator or pulse on how people are feeling about Forex. And in that video, I went through like the token holders, and in this video there were 759 total, and 169 people in the DAO had at least, or 169 wallets have at least that 300 amount necessary. Then I showed here on the chart how it was kind of hanging around the $30 level. And I think my last freestyle FUD Friday, or DGAF FUD, however you say that, Friday, I looked at the token price and I was like, oh shit, I didn't realize it had dropped so much. So it had been holding around this level for quite some time. And again, this video was June 14th. So this tells us, again, sentiment of the people closest to Forex. Now there's some changing of the guard that we can probably look at as well, but just let's take a look at this first. So in this video, it was June 14th and it was sitting at around right here, $28. I drew this trend line just to show basically it bounced above this level, stayed above close to $30 for quite some time. And remember, it launched at 10 cents. So even at the prices now, it's still up dramatically for people that bought it in the early days. But there is a butt ton of people that bought above here, and maybe they're taking profits and selling or whatever, but we'll be able to look at the blockchain data to tell what the hell has been going on. So let's take a look at the chart, and you see now, from June, from that video till now, it's dropped 66%. That is crazy. So it was hovering around 30 bucks and now it's at 12 or 9 and some change. I can't, what's the actual price? Let me see. I might have drew the line slightly. So right now it's actually at $12.51, but it dropped down to $10. So $10 is probably a psychological level. So there's a lot of REIT being bought at that level, but what we can see here when I come over to DEX tools is a little bit easier to look at some of the sales. So there's a lot of sales. I just did a filter for sales over 200. So people literally selling their DAO positions. Now, granted, people bought back in because when we look at the total holders now, one, it says 750. So they lost 9 members. And then we had a total of 169, and now number 161 is the highest. So that means people sold their entire positions and other people bought it back up. But case in point is that it has dropped 57%. Now, granted, because I know people say that, ETH did drop from June till now about 13%. So in June, it was somewhere, let's see, June here is about 1,700, and then now it's at 1618. So it's still a decent channel for ETH. So we can definitely say for certain that it's not because of the broader crypto market. This is 100% due to sentiment focused solely on Forex. So remember, there is no other utility besides close access to Forex and then the mastermind group of the people that are there, and the once a week AMAs, and maybe some early alpha and the DAO raises, but there have not been any DAO raises in the last couple of months. So this 100% represents, in my opinion, a sentiment shift, because it had been holding this line for quite some time. And then literally here, July 23rd, I don't remember when Triple D launched. Was that August 1st or something like that? So maybe somewhere around here, people just got fed up with all the delays, or I don't know. I can't speak for them, but you can definitely look at the chart and see a huge reversal from holding that trend from that $28, $33 level, and then just sold off completely to down to 10 bucks almost, 1038, 1040, and then shot back up recently. So people bought it back up. So whoever this person is got themselves a full DAO seat maybe, or maybe it's someone that's holding more, hoping it'll go back up or whatever. But yeah, very, very interesting. So I just wanted to bring that up because that to me is the most clearest indicator regarding sentiment. Like, of course, you got the drip community or people that got in the drip that are upset, but all these people, these are typically OGs that have been rocking out with Forex for quite some time, because there's no other information you're going to find on REAP. Like, it's just a reflectionary token. So you get reflections based on people buying and selling, but you look at the volume, you're not getting that much on that on a daily basis. So it's not like it's trending on any charts or anything like that. So this is definitely the Forex Shark ecosystem people that are holding it. And it's still a large amount of people, 160 sitting in the DAO. So by no means is that a drop in the bucket. Let's take a look at that. So we got 160 times at least 300 times 12.5. So still $600,000 worth of liquidity sitting in that group, that mastermind. And some people have more, of course, more REIT than that, but that's still not bad at all. So that's where I keep saying there is money in the ecosystem. And then here is a community of people sitting around that clearly still have some belief in Forex. Some have left, and that is indicative of the chart. You can't sugarcoat that any other way. It's not their macro market. It's literally just the Forex Shark ecosystem projects. So we'll see how things shape up going forward, but I thought I would give you a recap on that because it's been, like I said, about 3 months, and I found this very interesting. 55%, 56% down. That is crazy. So I don't know what the deal is, what goes on behind the scenes in those closed door meetings, but we are definitely looking for some positive sentiment somewhere. And if you'd like to be a part of the change, because relying on somebody else to do it for you is a disaster waiting to happen, in my humble opinion, head over to my Telegram, drop me a message on Twitter or Telegram or in the comments here. And we are still getting people into the to be determined name, which is currently unknown DeFi DAO, but that will definitely change based on the brand ID and stuff like that. But if you want to be a part of that group, head over, and we'd love to have you. Looking for people that have cognitive and critical thinking abilities, but most importantly, integrity. All right, smash that HBO special, help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, live daily and achieve your impossible. See ya.
Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real-world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now